So hello everyone, good morning to all. This is Raju. Today we are here for the special activity. It is called general conversation. And in general conversation, we are going to just talk about Western culture. After just adopting the Western culture, what kind of changes we have adopted in our lifestyle and in our mentality, in our and how it is affecting Indian culture. Do you think due to Western culture we are forgetting our ethics, we are just forgetting our moral values, and we are just changing our lifestyles? So today here we are to discuss. So without delay, let's get started. So first, I would like to request you, please in few lines introduce about yourself.
So my name is Lakshmi and I am Shivani.
This is Asis.
So I would like to request you, please start the initiate sir. Asis, start.
All right. If we are talking about in terms of culture, especially foreign culture and Indian culture,
Yeah.
then no doubt Indian culture was the best culture in all over the world.
Yeah.
But it was quite tough to follow the Indian culture. So that's why now India is attempting the foreign culture because
Yeah.
it's too easy to follow that. And if we are talking about in terms of clothes,
Yeah.
then Indian clothes are quite expensive as well as it's tough to wear that kind of clothes
Yeah.
and handle.
Yeah.
That means it is some kind of uncomfortable kind of a thing. But
Yeah.
if we are talking about in terms of foreign cultures clothes, then like a jeans t-shirt and
Yeah.
all, it's quite easy to wear and as well as it's too comfortable.
Yeah.
As you know that we
Yeah.
can move our hands as well.
Yeah.
And one more thing that if we wear the foreign clothes, then we look handsome as well. But I don't think so. In Indian culture, if I wear dhoti kurta and all, so I look such this kind of beautiful thing.
This is as you talk about in terms of clothes. So I would like to just in terms of culture, like what is our food and all these things. So in ancient times we used to just have milk and all the homemade food, but now we are attracted towards fast food due to lack of time, because we don't have time to consume homemade food because it takes time. So people are just going with pizza, burger and samosa and all these things. But don't you think it is quite unhealthy for your body, because it can provide you instant energy, but it is a waste. You are consuming waste.
Even most of the time, it cannot provide us energy because
Yeah.
it is made up of the thing that's such a
Rotten.
yeah, that's such a rotten material
Yeah.
they used for the for enhancing their taste. So that's not good for our consumption as well as our health.
That is the reason there was a time our grandfather used to live 100 years and it
Yeah.
was normal. But right now in young generation, their maximum age of living around 60 to 65. And most important thing, we can see a lot of diseases like cholesterol, heart attack, and sugar, blood pressure, and all these things due to this. But in ancient time, we used to be fit and we did not need any Colgate to just make our teeth strong and all these things. We were naturally strong, but after consuming it, we are just messing our life. Now I would like to request to both of you, just share your point of view regarding
So
it.
I would like to inculcate in terms of modern mentality.
Yeah.
As we all know that we are under control by the UK, Britain.
Yeah.
So we are adapting their culture.
Yeah.
And that is the reason now we are becoming modern in terms of culture, in terms of our dressing, fast, having the food. So that's the reason now every boys and girls, they talk with each other, and that is the reason they don't have clarity about the sexual things and the sex education.
Yeah.
And that become the reason, and that becomes the one of the most biggest challenge for us.
Yeah.
And if you compare in the UK, the teenager pregnancy rate, it is increasing day by day.
Yeah.
And we are really obsessed with the UK culture and UK modern mentality. So
Yeah.
if we are following the same thing from the UK, so definitely in the future the pregnancy rate in the teenager, it will definitely increase.
Yeah.
If you talk about the Netherlands, maybe they are adapt education, sex education, and that become the reason to reduce the teenager pregnancy
Yeah,
in their country.
Yeah.
So I think we should follow the culture, but apart from this we should aware about ourselves, about aware to us properly without, as he mentioned, that live in the reality. So show the reality exactly. Don't follow anything just blindly. And if somebody is talking, if any girl and boy is talking with each other, so you are also having attraction and you also want to make relationship with any girl. Firstly, you try to know that what kind of any girl face the problem and what kind of I face the problem. When you come to know these kind of things, so you connect with that girl and with boy easily and you get the empathy towards them. So that is
so let me tell you something. Look, after adopting the Western culture, in terms of marriage, it is also changed, because in ancient time people used to get their daughter married according to their choice, because they used to investigate about their families, and boys also. At that time, girls as well as boys were not allowed to just choose their own bride and groom, because parents used to take the decision. But after adopting the Western culture, people are just choosing their own life partner. So what do you all think about this opinion? It is good, or like this is the trend of living relationship? What's your mentality and what's your point of view over this point?
In my perspective and in my opinion, I believe it's a really good thing, because it provides us a choice.
Yeah.
And choice is never be a wrong thing. And if we are talking about
In terms of what kind of choice are we talking about?
choice means that means we are not bounded to anything. We
Yeah.
are not bound.
Swamber?
Yeah, exactly. If we are talking about anciently at the time of the kingdoms, then they were holding the swamber.
Yeah.
That is also some kind of a choice.
Yeah.
But in between the time period of this and that ancient time, in between that period, people change their mentality and they start marrying. They start arranging the marriage, and most of the times I have seen that just because of these kind of things, both male and female facing a lot of problem, but they are unable to tell to anyone, and they are just living their life in the compromise, and there is nothing apart from compromise.
So I have a question. Look at. So what is the difference? As Lakshmi, I would like to know your point of view. Look at, if our parents are deciding you are going to marry with that person, so how will you evaluate and how will you make it make it good, because your parents had decided that he has decided you are going to marry that person, you will be happy throughout your life. Is it good or not?
Alright, sorry.
Let her speak, then you can speak, sir.
No, I just have a simple question that
Yeah.
just suppose my parents choose for a girl for me,
Yeah.
and I don't want to marry her,
Yeah.
but they are pressurizing me.
Yeah.
So what should I do? I will or not?
So what's your take? Because will you disobey your parents? Yeah, you would like to
It's
go
not
with your
the
parents'
case
decision.
of disobey. It's the case of my life.
No, sir. For your kind information, do you know in Indian family, good daughter and son never say no to his parents. So what's your point of view?
Because
Yeah.
they respect our parents.
Yeah.
So firstly, I would like to come to you, Ashish, that you say that your parents are forcing you for a marriage with a girl.
Yeah.
So he choose any girl for you. Firstly, he go through his life, up to life what he did in past life. It's good. He is good. Sorry, she is good for you or not. His qualification, his choices, everything is matched to you or not. Firstly, your parents match her kundli with your kundli. Then it's
Oh wow. Kundali.
Kundli in our culture we say that your kundli match with her, then you are both match for each other.
Yeah.
And you are not just suppose that you say that you are not agree to your parents, just don't take it another negative way. Go to your father, your mother, say I'm agree to marry with girl, but give me some time to know that girl.
I want to spend time.
Yeah,
with
I
her.
want to spend some time with girl to know her. She is right or not for me.
Yeah.
So after that you select is after that you know that she is good or not, and definitely she is good for you because your parents find all of the things, then he decides she is good for you.
Oh.
And if I talk about, you said that our instant period time, so you know that very well. Our instant time, our parents, kingdoms kings organize the swamber for the girls.
Yeah.
So we said that this we selecting boys for as a girl we selecting boys for the marriage. It's a Western culture. It's not a Western culture. We adopting the present time. It's our ancient time. It's our culture. It's our culture. Our father gives us opportunity to go and select by yourself who you like. You go and ask any question, which type of career you have. You clear all of the thing. Then if you say that yeah, he's right person for me, then I go to marry with him.
So here is a question here. Don't you think after adopting the Western culture, we have vanished a lot of superstitious things like sati pratha and Indian, especially in Indian culture, below 18 years girls they used to marry like bal vivah, child marriage. So don't you think after adopting the Western culture, we came to know what is the right age to get married with scientific reason? Second thing, after adopting the Western culture, we came to know gender equality because girls were not allowed to just pursue their further studies. Now girls are competing with boys equal to equal. So what do you think? Western culture also the reason to just bring the drastic change in a positive way in India. What's your opinion?
I would like to. Can I?
Yeah, you may.
I would like to answer to your question, Raju. Every coin has a two faces, right and wrong. So if we go with the positivity of the Western culture, so it is drastic change in our Indian culture. Like we go with the sati pratha in our instant period, then it definitely it's not right for
So-
the girls. But if go with another way, in a negative way, you know that in what happened in the Western.
So sorry for interrupting you. We have lack of time, so I would like to just come to know about your opinion also.
So according to me,
You have only 1 minute.
yeah, according to me, we are adapting the in Western culture. So yeah, by the time we came to know what is the correct age of marrying.
Yeah.
Apart from this, you mentioned about the gender equality.
Yeah.
So still India is confused about the gender equality. They
Yeah.
think that if you are protecting any girl and if any girl is saying something while crying, so she is right. It is not a gender equality.
Yeah.
If any girl is doing something
Basically,
wrong,
they are using their gender equality in a wrong way in
Yeah.
terms of law and all this
they-
thing.
And if any girl is saying something, so you can't judge by her talking.
Yeah.
You try to know the both of side. Apart from this, people also say that if something going on wrong with any girl, so it's bad for her. How can you say that? She will get the sympathy from her surrounding.
Yeah.
But what about that boy? He will definitely suppressed by their surroundings,
Yeah.
and everyone just taunting him that look at you did this kind of
Yeah,
wrong thing.
shame on you.
So this is not gender equality. Gender equality when you come to know exactly.
What's your point of view?
I'm not gonna speak anything about it because if I will,
Yeah.
then it will definitely, it has no any end.
So just speak, say something. Na? So we come to know about your point of view about after adopting the Western culture. Did you see any drastic change in a positive way? Yeah, it is all negative. We are just losing our culture. We are just going off the wrong track after adopting the Western culture.
Alright. So my first point is gender equality we are talking about. So yes, it has plays a vital role in these things, but even then, it's not a gender equality. I don't believe even we are living in a male dominant society as we say, but it's not the reality. Reality is that we are living in a female dominating society. There is no one who is really think about the man.
Yeah.
Always they are thinking about the women.
Yeah.
So where is the gender equality? In the metro, the first
Bogie.
bogie is reserved for the female.
Female.
What about the men in the bus? They can travel easily free of cost anywhere in Delhi.
Yeah.
What about the men? They don't have. Females don't have money, so they are unable to buy their own ticket.
Yeah.
5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees.
It is the CM strategy. He
It's
knows
not
that
a-
how to get
gender
That's why
equality.
gender,
What
I'm
is the
talking
meaning
about
of
the gender
who is
equality.
providing this kind of
No.
facility. He is also a man.
So just want to say, what is the meaning of gender equality?
Yeah.
Means
And-
opportunity will be distributed equally, female as well as male.
In any adversity case, as like just suppose there is any disaster thing happens,
Yeah.
then always people said, please protect senior citizen,
Yeah.
children,
Yeah.
and ladies.
Girls, ladies. Where is
What
the boy?
about the men who protect us? There is no one. So
So
that's why.
there's a joke. There was an incident. I was reading on a post on Instagram.